Okay, hi. I'm Ruchika Upadhyay and we've come all the way from Pune. This is honestly our first day in Shillong, and I'm super glad that we came here.
Kamono festival ane kata ka tamasa mau pernah mentaka si kan nyau tarik kelas tang bata ha kani ka festival kidon shibon ba ki jing berbernya ki ba ki bawan jungo om tang nang ni na jala jungi rei ila ban sakiru ba ki babon hi ki dei ki bana baru ki balawan lang ha kani ka si ban yo I ya kata ka rukum im kata ka culture ka larti jong khasi jungi.
Everything is so unique. All the artifacts, all the people, you're looking at the costumes. Everything is so new for us because we've really never seen this before. So yeah, this is like a nice glimpse of the overall Northeast culture, more over Meghalaya. So yeah, I'm glad we're doing this. The one thing that I thought was so wholesome was when everybody was singing and dancing. There was this one person who went all the way to the other side, just enjoying himself. And I think that's pure. That's so wholesome, and that's what you need on a vacation, to see people like those. So yeah, I'm glad we came here. I think there's this urge to research more about tribes, their culture, which is, I think, what is the whole point of the festival as well. So yeah, in the end, we'll end up doing that a lot more.
We're from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
How many of you are coming today?
3 of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how's the experience so far?
Experience is really good.
Is this your first time in?
Yeah,
First time.
Those instruments I observed.
You like the instrument more?
Yeah.
What about you?
We are still exploring actually.
I just like this type of a setup, and this one is really interesting. It kind of is taking us back to olden times, I guess. So we're from a place where we don't get to see something like this. I mean, getting back to our culture is always
thing.
encouraged. And since there is this large scale encouragement on cultural unification and getting people together, so that's a very beautiful thing, and this initiative has to be encouraged even further.
Hi, I'm Shanu. I came from Mumbai to Meghalaya, and luckily I got to see the Monolith Festival here. It's really interesting. So such a different culture. We are really enjoying and seeing new things here. So love to see new cultures and enjoy the various things. They have specific crafts and dances. So we are enjoying it. There are different, they have different attires. It's so colorful. So their dances, we would love to see the dances. Now we are going there. It is really nice, and especially it's good for tourists because we are totally different than this. So it's really nice to see and explore new things.
Hello, myself Sania, and I am from Jaipur. I was a software developer, and right now I'm traveling for 3 months, and I knew about this place, there is a festival, Monolith Festival is going on. So after coming here, I am feeling really good. It was I was able to see the rich culture, the heritage Meghalaya has, and the songs, the tribe dance. It was really good. I like the dance, the music, and a theme song they sang earlier. I really like that.
I think it's a very beautiful idea to showcase all the kingdoms together, because people cannot have a chance to go and visit each of the kings or places. So this gives a full idea of how the culture of Meghalaya is. But besides that, all the cuisine and the food and the lovely artifacts to buy and the performances, I think it's wonderful, thematically trying to present the whole culture of Meghalaya in one go among the rolling hills of Mawphlang, isn't it? Thank you. For me, because I'm interested in culture, I wanted to see the kings. I even saw some kind of a meeting going on, and that was a very interesting thing. Plus, of course, young people all dressed up in their local costumes and the ethnic costumes. That was really eye-catching. I got lots and lots of photographs.
What is your takeaway from Monolith Festival?
Well, now I know more about the Khasi culture. I know more about the culture of Meghalaya, and I know what talented people there are here. So I'll carry that with me when I go.
Yeah,
Thank you.